Hi, Year 12. Sorry that your first lesson is virtual. If I taught you last year, really well done with your results. And if you're new, welcome to the school. Fingers crossed I will be back in the classroom as soon as possible. I'm just waiting to hear back from the US Embassy. They're doing some extra processing on my visa renewal. Don't know why, but we'll be with you as soon as I can. So today's lesson is just getting organised and getting you prepared and making sure that you're familiar with what the course is going to be like. Could you please just do a check for me that you have been given the following things today? And actually I've just thought of another thing, so I've got a little list here. So I don't forget to mention it. So first things first is a safety contract. So you should have been given a Flynn scientific safety contract to sign. Your guardian at home needs to sign it as well. If you don't get that back to Dr. Ibrahim, we can't do any practical work with you, and you have to do practical work to pass IB Physics. So it's kind of non-negotiable that you sign that and give it back. Please do that as soon as possible. Secondly, you should have been given a blue folder for IB Physics. Non-negotiable, has to come to every lesson. You've got lockers, so there should be no issues with bringing that in. A big stack of file dividers is the third thing. Number 4, a plastic wallet with this stuff in. It's a folder organiser. Number 5 is a data booklet, IB data booklet. So it's just a bunch of physics equations basically. That you will be given a copy of this in your exams, so you know what you don't need to remember. And then there should also be a printed glossary for you as well, of words that might be new to you, that kind of thing. So just check that you've got those 6 things, please. I'm going to go through the contents of your folder organiser in a minute. I'm having trouble recording videos at the moment. It doesn't seem to like me doing them for too long, so I'm going to split it into 2 videos. And you can see it's a bit blurry today because it's already 8 o'clock over here. So I'll just go through a few other bits of admin. If you are unsure about why you've been put into 2 Microsoft Teams for SL and HL, the reason for that is because I only have 1 class, that's all of you, but some of you have chosen SL and some of you have chosen HL. Now, everyone has to learn SL content, so you're all part of the SL team. That's just the core stuff that everyone has to do. And then if you chose HL, you need to be in the HL team as well, because there's additional work that you guys have to do. If you have chosen HL and you haven't been invited to the team for HL work, could you please let me know? My list might be wrong, but you should all be on there. Now, lessons, while I am stuck here, every lesson starts with you going to manage back and reading the instructions basically. Some lessons I will do video calls with all of you on Teams. Not always though. The internet's terrible at school, so I don't want to rely on it too much. And I'd rather have one-to-one conversations with you. But manage back is where I will tell you exactly what you need to do each day. So that's the first thing. Could you please also just send me some messages on Teams? It is really boring sitting in front of a laptop, and it's quiet. So yeah, please let me know how you're getting on, and get chatting to me so that I can get to know you if you're new, and just see how you're doing. I think that's everything admin wise. The rest of today's PowerPoint tells you everything that I expect you to do before Monday next week. So if you don't get through everything on these slides, it is your homework to do it before Monday. But hopefully this is all pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to stop this video, go to the next video now and watch the second one where I'm going to talk you through this folder organiser and how to sort your folder out.